You know that sudden hic sound that sneaks up on you out of nowhere? Yep, hiccups. But why do they even happen? A hiccup starts deep inside your chest. Your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly jerks or spasms. When that happens, your vocal cords snap shut, and that's what makes the hic sound. But what triggers it? Eating too fast, drinking soda, swallowing air, even sudden excitement can irritate the nerves connected to your diaphragm. Scientists still aren't 100% sure if hiccups serve a real purpose. Some think they're just a leftover reflex from when we were developing as babies. So next time you hiccup, just know, it's your body's quirky little glitch.